Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter number 10 fraction. In this we will learn different meanings of the fraction. Recap. In the given figure, total number of parts in whole are 5. From this, 2 parts are shaded, so we will write fraction for shaded parts is 2 upon 5. Here 2 is numerator, the number of parts we have, or we can say the number of parts we have colored, and 5 is denominator, total parts in whole. So the number of parts of the object is called denominator, which we write below line, and the number of parts we have taken is numerator, which we write above line. Observe the objects. The first figure is called whole or 1. The second figure is called half. Half part we have taken, that is colored. Third figure is called quarter or 1/4, which we have colored. And fourth figure is 3/4, or we can say 3/4, because 3/4 we have colored. Different meanings of fractions. Amit was given 2 parts out of 3 equal parts of a bhakri. 2 bhakris of the same size as Amit's have to be divided equally between 3 girls, Sadhana, Anushka and Preeti. So Amit divide each bhakri into 3 equal parts. The 2 bhakris were divided into 3 equal parts each. One part of each bhakri was given to Sadhana, Anushka and Preeti. So students, each girl got 2 parts from each bhakri. So Sadhana got 1/3 from one bhakri and 1/3 from another bhakri. Same way, Preeti got 1/3 plus 1/3 and Anushka got 1/3 plus 1/3. So each girl got 2 parts from 2 bhakris. So remember students, we can write this in different ways. It means that 2/3 can be explained in 3 different ways. 2 parts out of 3 equal parts of an object. 1/3 twice, which means 1/3 plus 1/3, which also means 2 into 1/3 or 2 times 1/3. equal division of two objects between three people. So this we can learn through exercise. Exercise. Question number 1. Complete the following table. Students, here is the table with 4 columns. Fractions, additions, multiplication, how many times. Let us solve first sum. 4 upon 5. Here 4 is numerator and 5 is denominator. So this fraction we will write in addition form. 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. Same fraction is written in multiplication form 1 upon 5 into 4. And in next column how many times? Means 4 times 1 upon 5. Students, here numerator is 4 and denominator is 5. So we will add the number which is given in numerator that many time we will add the fraction as 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. As we have added it 4 times, so in multiplication form we will write 1 upon 5 into 4 and 4 times we have added, so we will write here 4 times 1 upon 5. Let us solve next example. Fraction 3 upon 4. In addition form we will write 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Students, here numerator is 3. So we have added 1 upon 4 3 times. We will write 4 denominator same as it is. Now, as we have added 3 times, we will write in multiplication form 1 upon 4 into 3. As we have added 3 times 1 upon 4, so we will write 3 times 1 upon 4. Same way, next sum, fraction is given 3 upon 7. So we will write 7 as it is in denominator, but we will add 3 times 1 upon 7 in addition form. Then we will write here 1 upon 7 into 3 and next column how many times? As we will add it 3 times, so we will write 3 times 1 upon 7. Same way 5 upon 6. So 6 we will write same in denominator and in numerator we will write 1 which we will add for 5 times as 5 is in numerator. In multiplication we will write 1 upon 6 into 5 and here how many times? So we will add it 5 times, so we will write here 5 times 1 upon 6. Question number 2. Write the given fraction in the blanks and color an equal part in the given shape. Students, here fraction is given in words. 2/3 means 2 will come in numerator above the line and thirds means 3. 3 will come in denominator. Here shapes have 3 parts. So number of part we are writing in denominator and 2 parts are taken, means 2 parts we should color. So we have colored 2 parts and our fraction will be 2 upon 3. Same way, next sum 4 upon 8. So this shape is having 8 parts. Total number of parts of this shape is 8. From that 4 parts we have to color. So we can color any part of this shape, but we will color only 4 parts. So we will write a fraction 4 upon 8. Same way in next sum 5, 6. So this figure has 6 parts and we have to color 5 parts from it. And our fraction for this will be 5 upon 6. Same way next sum 2 upon 7. So this figure is having 7 parts and 2 parts we will color. So our fraction will be 2 upon 7. Same way this is 7 upon 8. So this figure is having 8 parts and 7 part we will color. So our fraction will be 7 upon 8. So students, now you must be understood. Complete these sums in your notebook. Thank you.